How to share WhatsApp status with one person only. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to share your WhatsApp status privately with just one content on iOS or Android. So let's get started. Here I'm using an iOS device. If you're having Android, you can follow similar steps because the WhatsApp application is same on both of the devices. So what you're going to do is simply click on WhatsApp application, and then what you're going to do is simply click on the updates at the bottom left. And here what you're going to do is click on these three dots at the top left, and you'll be able to see three options, that is select channels, create channels, status privacy. So what you're going to do is click on status privacy, and over here you're going to click on only share with, click on edit, and then you're going to search for a specific contact over here with who you wish to share the WhatsApp status. So once you've selected that contact, you can simply click on done, and after clicking on done, you'll be able to see it says only share with, one contact included, and whatever status you post, only that specific contact will be able to see that. So that was basically how you can share your status with one person on WhatsApp. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.